As a beginner or as a teen, you probably have wanted to make money online, but you haven't found the right business model for you. You're not sure where to start, what to do, or what are the necessary steps that you need to take into account to actually make this happen. So in this video, I'll show you the very best business ideas that you can start making money online in 2019. And these are things that you can start doing and implementing even if you are a complete beginner. What is up, online CEOs? My name is Josue Peña, helping you grow and monetize your brand, business, and influence with social media and marketing. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that like and that red subscribe button down below so you do not miss any of the new videos that we're putting out. And let's just jump into it right away to actually showing you the different business and the best ideas and business models that you need to be able to take into account if you want to make money in 2019. The very first one is blogging. Blogs, even to this day, are extremely profitable if you know how to do them right. It is obviously a lot more competitive to rank your blog and grow it, but if you love to write, create content, be a little bit behind the scenes, don't put yourself out there that much, you can easily start a blog around any topic that you like. Fishing, camping, beauty, fitness, whatever, and start ranking it on Google, and Google will then send traffic back to you. Obviously, if you build your blog big enough, you obviously can start getting paid by AdSense or Google Ads for people to start putting ads on your website or blog to start driving traffic to their offers. This is a super simple way to get started and get your feet wet. Business idea number 2 is actually affiliate marketing. And this definitely ties into number 1, which is blogging, because you can combine both. And affiliate marketing is basically just you being a middleman.
Yes, no, maybe, I don't know.
Where you are simply the person who sells a product and gets a commission for it. So for example, if you have a blog around technology or tech, you can easily start making blogs or writing blogs around tech, cameras, gears, headphones, TVs, and then putting the link to Best Buy or Amazon to that specific product. And the link is your affiliate link. So that means when people read the blog, they click the link and they go purchase it, you get a commission for every single purchase that happens. I have friends who make $50, $100, even $200,000 every single month just with affiliate marketing. So this business model is extremely profitable because you don't have any overhead. It's basically all profit and you don't have to deal with any customer service or anything like that. One of my good friends, ODI Productions, is a king at this. And we actually did a full interview where he showed the step-by-step process that he follows to build a successful affiliate marketing business. And this stuff, you can even combine it with number 1, which is building a blog. The link to that video, that free masterclass what we did here on YouTube, is actually gonna be here in the description or right here in the card. Business idea number 3 that you can actually start making money online in 2019 is SEO, or search engine optimization, where you simply know how to rank websites or blogs on Google so that when people are searching for it, they pop up and they show up at the very top. And obviously you can apply this stuff to your own blog with affiliate marketing, all that good stuff, or you can take that SEO knowledge and sell it as an agency to other businesses. So maybe there's a plumbing or electrician business in your local area, and you simply go out there, sell that for $500, $1,000, $2,000 a month, so that when people in your local area or city search plumbing or electrician or whatever, your client is the very first one that shows up. This is a very simple business model that you can actually start doing today without having any overhead or any experience. Business idea number 4 is actually becoming a freelancer. A freelancer is somebody who works for several companies all at the same time. It is very similar to what an agency does. And as a freelancer, you can become a social media manager, you can do SEO for them, you can write blogs, do email marketing, all sorts of stuff. So whatever job that you have right now at your normal current 9 to 5, you can actually be doing exactly that as a freelancer online, and making 3, 4, even 5 times the same amount you're doing for the same amount of work. Because now you're doing it not just for one person, but for multiple people. Business idea number 5 is selling an online course. And this is probably one of the best business models out there because you can literally just create the course once and sell it multiple times without having any overhead or any extra cost. So basically it's almost all profit. And the beauty about this is that you're selling your information or knowledge, and you're leveraging your information to transform somebody else's life. So you're basically a teacher, but with the benefit of actually being compensated in the right way. If you want to start building your own online course with your own expertise, or maybe you want to do this and you're not sure what your expertise is, I actually did a video with another multi-millionaire who was my friend Kevin David, where we broke down step by step how you can actually start creating your own online course, what's the process that you need to be able to take in order to make this happen, and how you can do it even starting from scratch as a complete beginner. The link to that video is going to be in the description down below or right here on the card. Business idea number 6 is actually doing online coaching. This is another vertical to the online course model, where instead of selling a course, which are just like videos or PDFs or ebooks, where you just create it once and you sell a ton, this one right here is coaching or consulting on a one-to-one basis, and where you're actually taking the time with every single client or every single person that comes through and helping them on a one-to-one basis. The beauty about this model is that you can actually charge a lot more for the same information that you teach in the course, because in this one you're dedicating a lot more time into actually every single person or client that comes in. So for that, obviously you got to charge more. The only problem with this is that it's limited by the amount of time you can actually put into it, because you're trading time for dollars, and that is not always the best case scenario or the best thing to do. But it is a great way to just start out as a complete beginner. Then number 7, this is probably my favorite one, and I think the best one for you, and that is building an Instagram marketing business. Right now, we all know Instagram is growing like wildfire, and it is the platform that has everybody's attention. So if you're able to understand how the platform works, you know how to build an online following there on Instagram, and then you know how to turn those followers into dollars in order to build a successful business with it, you're not only building a digital real estate asset that increases in value over time, which is your own following, but on top of that, you're also bringing in more revenue and profit to a business. This skill is probably the highest income skill that you can possibly get in 2019 right now, because there's a humongous demand for it, and you can make a lot of money very quickly without having a lot of clients or a lot of overhead. For example, that is exactly how we have been able to get a 7-figure award, as you can see right there, with our own Instagram marketing agency, where we help other personal brands, e-com stores, or brands grow their following online on Instagram, and then show them also how to monetize those followers as well. So the sell for your services and skills and expertise on Instagram becomes very easy because people already want it. This is the reason why we have been able to help hundreds of students do this exact thing. As you can see right here, there's hundreds and hundreds of testimonials, success stories, and case studies where our students have been able to build a really massive online following on Instagram, and then on top of that have built a really successful Instagram marketing business. So again, number 7 is probably the very best one that you can start doing right now as a complete beginner in 2019. And if you want to find out a little bit more how we have been able to do it for ourselves, how we have been able to help hundreds of other students how to do it as well, just click the link in the description down below or go to igboss.com. It will take you to completely free on-demand training where I actually show you step by step how you can actually do this, how you can actually start implementing, how you can actually start growing your own following on Instagram, and then from there, turn it into actually a profit. And in that training, we show you with only 3,000 followers that you can start making over $160,000 every single year. That is a 6-figure income with a very small following. And of course, we're not letting the following stay small because we also show you how to grow. So again, just click the link down below in the description or go to igboss.com. The next one right here is virtual assistants. You can obviously become a virtual assistant, do customer service, do customer support for other companies, and simply work from the comfort of your own home. You can go to LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and put your resume or application out there as a virtual assistant. And of course, you can start making money like this from the comfort of your own home. Obviously, as a virtual assistant, you're not going to make the most amount of money because it is a very easy job to do, but it can definitely be a gateway or a starting point for you to start growing from there. And I forgot to mention this at the beginning of the video. Obviously, the businesses that make you the most amount of money are the ones that require the most amount of skill, and typically are the hardest ones to start and take the most amount of time, but are the most rewarding ones. So I suggest you can start doing both and start building up from there. Another idea that you can start implementing right now is building your own YouTube business, where you start building your own channel around the topic that you're passionate about, that you like, that you're an expert at, and then you can combine that YouTube channel with your Instagram, maybe that blog, that affiliate marketing. You combine everything into just one big ecosystem that everything just drives traffic, makes sales on autopilot by just leveraging the power of social media and online. And of course, again here, you gotta build your online following because that's, at the end of the day, the most important digital real estate asset that increases in value over time. The next business idea that you can actually start doing right now in 2019 is designing funnels or websites. With ClickFunnels, for example, it is very simple to actually design a really good funnel that actually converts, and you can sell that funnel to other businesses. You have no idea how many local businesses have a very bad website, and you can simply just go to them, hey, look, I have this funnel, I can sell it to you for 300, 500 bucks. They'll be more than happy to take it because it's already pre-built, it's already pretty, it's already done, and it's a simply plug and play process. So if you want to find businesses that you can actually serve with this service, just go to Groupon.com, search in your local area, gyms, spas, whatever. Go to their website and see how ugly they are. You will be surprised how bad these websites are because the local businesses have not adapted and evolved to the online platform and online world. Think about it. Literally just 10 years ago, this whole online social media world was literally just starting 10 years ago. So everything is just in baby steps right now. And the gold era or the gold rush hasn't even started yet. So this is the chance for you to grab yours and grab it and keep it. So go out there and start selling funnel designs and web designs to local businesses. Another great business idea that you can start doing in 2019 is e-commerce. E-commerce is obviously taking a humongous growth every single year, year after year, because more and more people are buying stuff online. Amazon is absolutely blowing up like crazy. And almost every single retail physical store is in danger if they do not pivot to the online world. So for you, it's a great opportunity for you to grab this and take it and start building a successful e-com empire yourself. And you can do this with platforms like Amazon or Shopify or ClickFunnels, where you start building your own brand and your own products and start selling them and building your own e-commerce business. And on this one, you actually have very good friends as well, like Kevin Dater or Dan DeSilva, who actually show you step by step how you can actually start doing this. I'm gonna leave links in the description down below or right here to actually their channels or their videos, and also to their complete free trainings, where they show you step by step how you can actually start building your own Amazon business if you want to do it there, or your own Shopify business. Now you see a trend with all these ideas that I'm saying with building a business online in 2019. Every single one of them is predicated on the fact that building a following is extremely important. Think about it. Building an e-com store is probably best if you have a following that already loves the products and services or whatever it is that you're trying to sell in there. If you have a course that you're trying to sell, obviously, who are you going to sell it to? Well, you need to build a following to sell it to. Or maybe you are doing affiliate marketing. Well, you got to sell something to somebody in order to get that commission. And the best way to actually do it without having to bother friends and family is start building your own following online that you can then leverage that to actually promote, sell, and do whatever you want to make money online in 2019. Again, like I said before, building a following online, you're building a digital real estate asset that increases in value over time. Because you have people's attention, people listen to you, and people get value from whatever it is that you're saying. Whatever niche, whatever product, whatever service you're trying to sell, it works. Build your following online and you will never be out of business. Because you will always have people, you have their attention, and you will always have people you can sell to. And again, the easiest way you can start doing this today is with Instagram. You know, when you go out, you ask the girl, hey, what's your Instagram, girl? The girl asks you, hey, boy, what's your Instagram? Everybody is on Instagram and everybody wants to grow their Instagram. So if you're able to learn this valuable skill, you'll never be out of business. Question of the day. What was your favorite idea or business idea to start implementing in 2019? Comment it down below. I would love to know which business idea are you actually going to start implementing in 2019. And if you comment, make sure you commit to it and you actually start going through it. And if you want to find out a little bit more how you can start building your own following, or maybe actually taking those followers and turning it to a profit, check these videos right here, where I actually show you step by step how you can start making money online in 2019 after you build your own online following. So again, just click these videos right here and I look forward to seeing how your business blows up in 2019.